Meaning of heaped.
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 Heaped. The word heaped is a verb that means to pile something up in a mound or heap. When something is heaped, it generally connotes an excessive or abundant amount of something. For example, if a plate of food is heaped with mashed potatoes, it implies that there is a large amount of mashed potatoes on the plate. Similarly, if a person is described as having heaped praise on someone else, it suggests that they have given an excessive amount of compliments or admiration. In short, heap describes a situation where there is a large quantity or concentration of something in one place.